Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about the book cover I made for Slaughterhouse 5 by Kurt Vonnegut. Let's start with the main aspect of the book cover, which is the skull on the front. So I drew a big skull to represent all the death in the novel that Kurt Vonnegut gives us, and it's wearing an army helmet because the main character, Billy Pilgrim, is a prisoner of war during World War II. In the left eye of the skull, there is a spaceman because he claims to be abducted by aliens about halfway, a little bit into the novel, and he actually gets captured and goes into a zoo. In the right eye, it's like a cracked lens because his sight of the world and life is different from what other people see. In the top right, and all across the page, there's blood splattering because also represent the death in the novel. And then the bomb in the bottom right represents the Dresden bombings, which the novel is based upon and which the author had a hard time finding in the beginning of the novel. And in the bottom left, there's a watch to represent how time in the novel is not correct, really, as Billy, the main character, can time travel or blink and go through separate parts of time. Like, for instance, one time he'd be in a prisoner of war, and then another time he'd teleport to the other planet with the Trafalmadorians in the zoo. And so that watch represents how time is kind of out of order or out of place. And then also in the left side of the cover, I drew shackles because he is captured by Germans about halfway through the novel with one of his buddies when he gets disconnected from his squadron and becomes a prisoner of war, which later shapes his life as he meets new people that are also prisoners of war, and he actually meets the person that plans his death because one of the person that planned his death friends died and blamed it on Billy. So he vows to get revenge, and he is also the one who says, "Anybody ever asked you what the sweetest thing in life is? It's revenge."